On the back of the incubator, we are going to see a cool air inlet. So you can remove the lid to let the conditioner hose get in. Now you can connect the air conditioning hose to let the cool air get into the compartment. On the back of the conditioning machine, you can see the power inlet. Now you can plug in the power cable to get the machine powered on. The whole control is managed by this signal cable. So this signal cable needs to be plugged in to the back of the incubator. Canister incubator is the only one in the whole world which can control the internal temperature in both ways. It can heat up, it can cool down. Now we are going to show you how to set the temperature to cool down the whole machinery. The same way, press the set and plus button at the same time to enter the setting mode. Now you can keep pressing minus button to get the setting lower from 34 to 18 Celsius degrees. Although we strongly recommend you to control the environment in the comfortable range, which would be 27 to 35 Celsius degrees, which is 80 to 95 Fahrenheit degrees. But for some extreme situations, like the dog is suffering from hypothermia, you may need to cool down the environment and give the dog a way to cool down their body quickly and safely. So here is the canister air conditioning system, which can match our own incubator perfectly. So now you can see the temperature was 34.5 degrees. After about 2 minutes, now the temperature is getting lower to 33.6 degrees. So that's showing you the effect of our powerful canister ICU air conditioning system.